And the event handler is where it's relevant. In other words, it's next to the button, which makes it quite intuitive to deal with. So let's do some more stuff. I'll add a tab control, show how you can add some other types of user interface components. So again, we'll go to our RAD kit, go to the type repository, open up the RAD kit. And this time around, we'll choose tab control here and hit go. And I'll add our tab control, and you can see it here. And since Beautify is semantic, it knows that the toolbar is at the top and the footer is at the bottom. It positions things properly, but it's still better to position it in here manually. So you can do that. And it puts the tab control where it needs to be. So let's open this up and build our tab control out. The first thing you want to do is add the layout. That layout is actually what allows the platform to output what a tab should look like. So let's open this up and we should see the tab construct in here. So you see all this stuff, tabs. All right. Now let's add some actual tabs. This a new tab. We'll call this home. I'll add a home tab. It'll show it here. Right. Um, we can add content to that tab layout, which is basically it's a tab pane, which corresponds to tab items for Beautify. So we'll add a chip. That's another component in here. Click that, and it shows you chip. Now let's add another tab. Say this time we'll call this dashboard. Hit go, and it'll add the dashboard for us. So now we have two tabs. Now we're going to add something else. We're going to show how to inject arbitrary code into this object graph here. So, as a developer, you probably copy paste code from all over the place. I know I do. From places like Stack Overflow, you can find code there. This environment allows you to inject markup and code into your stuff. So let's do that. The way you do that is to do markup override. It's a mechanism for doing injection here. So we'll open that up, and it has a property called markup. So that's where you put the actual code. You do this. Just no changes to velocity as a type. That is the velocity template from Apache Software Foundation. We're not actually turning on velocity right now, but we can use it for syntax highlighting. So that's fine. All right, so now let's go to Google and look for something. Let's say Google Charts. And we'll see if we can find some nice chart here. Actually, we can just go back to that front page there. I think if you click on this, it should show you the tab. Okay, so here's the Google code that displays that chart. So we can just copy this and come back to our application, open this up in our editor, paste that, and we come back here. I believe we need this. So let's add this. Can add this to the bottom here. And I think this looks good. I believe it has everything we need. We can switch back here so we can see what happens when we hit save. Right? And voila, you have your tab, right? Your dashboard with an actual Google widget in there. Now, you can open this up in the browser itself. I think Chrome is trying to be smart here. And it shows the same thing in your browser. So you've seen how quickly we've at least created the structure of what looks like a very high quality application. It's very easy to do in this environment. And we'll be creating some more demos to show some more sophisticated behavior.